The science of heredity is, you can write this. Yeah, you know, you all know why we have to study about all this. Why we need to study about heredity, so that we know about any certain diseases if our parents are having. They may be passed on to the next generation, and to study more about the characters of the person, we need to study more about heredity. We also have to study about the diagnosis, the treatment, and the prevention. So we have to study heredity. So please write down the answer. The science of heredity is useful for the science of heredity is useful for Mahin, you're writing diagnosis, treatment. So I'll repeat again for those who have just joined. The science of heredity, the science of heredity is useful for diagnosis, comma, treatment, and prevention of hereditary disorders. Full stop. It is also used, it is also used in production of hybrid varieties of animals. In production of hybrid variety of animals and plants, and in industrial processes, and in industrial processes
Hello.
in which
Hello. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
in which microbes are used, in which microbes are used. Just a moment. Yes, Afan, you have to say something.
Yes, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. Sorry,
Right.
ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. मैं अभी ज्वाइन किया हमारे यहाँ लाइट ही नहीं है तो मैम can you repeat that I want to write.
Yes, yes, sure.
Okay.
The science of heredity is useful for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention. By the time Afan writes this answer, I want you all to learn this answer. ये इससे ना पूरा टॉपिक बेस है. ये आपको समझ में आ गया तो पूरा चैप्टर समझ में आएगा. And now I'm going to ask you if you have understood, and you're going to tell me the answer without seeing. Okay. So, Afan,
Okay, ma'am.
the science of heredity is useful for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of hereditary disorders. Full stop. It is also useful in production
ये पेन देना फजल पेन देना.
hybrid varieties of animals and plants, and in industrial processes in which microbes are used. In which microbes are used. Full stop. So anybody who can tell me this answer, what is the importance of the study of heredity? You can unmute and tell me the answer. Yes. And there are just 10 more minutes for my class, and then we'll be starting with maths at 10 o'clock. मरिया घड़ी में मत देखो, आंसर बोलो. उधर भी घड़ी में देख रहे.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Who's this?
मेरे पास है ना मैथ्स के नोट्स नहीं है. अब्दुल हादी.
Don't worry, Abdul. You can just continue with the class. जैसे जैसे क्लास चलेगा आपको सब मिलता रहेगा. बस आप रेगुलर बैठा करें क्लास में और जो आपको होमवर्क देंगे वो टाइमली कंप्लीट करें. You will get everything. You don't have a textbook, right?
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Don't
Yeah.
worry.
Thank you.
Welcome. अच्छा बोलो मुझे अभी हेरिडिटी का आंसर. हादी, अब्दुल हादी, लर्न किए? बोलो मुझे हेरिडिटी का आंसर.
नहीं मैम, थोड़ा सा बाकी है थोड़ा.
Okay. किसका लर्न हो
बाकी है
गया?
बोला.
Zishan, what you're doing outside? You're not on your desk? Acha, you have come back to your desk? Okay, everybody is taking down the notes, I guess. Okay, tell me what is the importance of heredity? ये तो बोलो कोई. Study of heredity क्यों important है? हमें क्यों पढ़ना चाहिए ये सब कुछ? Mahin, are you hearing me? So on the first page in your textbook, it is all about the introduction, about heredity and hereditary changes. So I could just give a quick reading about this. You know that, okay, I'll just ask, Sarish, could you read it?
You know that heredity is the transfer of biological characteristics
Slowly,
from one
you can't hear you.
You know that heredity is the transfer of biological characteristics.
You know that heredity is the transfer of biological characters from one generation to another via genes. Johann Gregor Mendel is pioneer of modern genetics. Around the period of 1886, it took a long time for him to understand the conclusions of his research about heredity. In 1901, the reasons behind the sudden changes were understood due to the mutational theory of Hugo de Vries. Meanwhile, in 1902, Walter and Sutton observed the paired chromosomes in the cells of a grasshopper. Until then, it was not known to anyone. Research started in the direction of finding the nature of genetic material when it was proved that genes are carried via chromosomes. Through this 1944 trio of scientists, Ostwald Avery, MacLean, McCarthy, and Colin MacLean, proved that except viruses, all living organisms have DNA as genetic material. In 1961, the French geneticist, the person who studies about genetics is geneticist Francois Jacob and Jacques Monod proposed a model for the process of protein synthesis with the help of DNA in bacterial cells. It helped to uncover the genetic codes hidden in DNA. Thereby, the technique of recombinant DNA technology emerged, which has a vast scope in the field of genetic engineering. The science of heredity is useful for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of hereditary disorders, production of hybrid varieties of animals and plants, and in industrial processes in which microbes are used. Okay, so now what do you mean by the DNA? We have just read about DNA over here. Where is the DNA present? And what is the full form of DNA? Can anybody tell? Yes, Sarah? DNA is full form is deoxyribonucleic acid, and as the name suggests, nucleic acid, it is present in the nucleus of the cell. You know, all the organisms are made up of a cell. There are two types of organisms: unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Okay, and each cell is the functional unit of that organism. Some organisms survive by only one cell. Those are known as unicellular organisms. Example, amoeba. And there are multicellular organisms. There are many examples. For example, human being. So there are many cells, and each cell has a nucleus. And inside the nucleus is the chromosome. And the chromosome carries the DNA. And a part of the DNA is the gene, which has the characters which are passed on from one generation to another, from the parents to their offspring. What are these characters? These are the biological characters, and which include the physical and mental characteristics like the skin color, the height, the health, and also the emotional intelligence, the IQ. All this is passed on from your father or mother to the children. Okay, so we stop over here and we get back tomorrow and continue with our topic of heredity and evolution. Now we will be doing maths. Are you all geared up for maths now? Okay, thank you.
Ma'am.
Good morning. Can you all hear me?